Welcome to CIS 129 Python video. We're doing combined logical statements. So for this program, what we'll do is we'll develop basically two different showing combinations for both and or. So first off, what we're going to do is just make some input statements for three different values. So we'll do input, enter value 1, so that's val1, and then since I'm going to make this integer, do int val1. Well, val2, we'll do int input enter value 2, and then we'll have value 3. Int input enter value 3, and make sure to spell enter right, not enter. Then what we're going to do is we're going to have basically two logical statements. So the first one's going to be an if statement. So if you remember from class, if statements have you'll have an if, a condition, and then what will happen if that condition is true. So I'm going to do if val1 equals 1. So basically it's saying that this value is equal to 1, and val2 is equal to 1, and val3 is equal to 1. So basically this is checking to see if all the values equal to 1. Put a colon at the end, and then in this indented portion I'm going to say print all the values are equal to 1. And then since I'm not going to put anything else in here, then an else statement is going to print out, I should have the colon at the end of it, print not, or at least one value is not equal to 1. So if you remember, for AND statements, both parts of the statement have to be true. So what this statement will do is check to see value 1, and then it'll return a Boolean value of true if it's true, and a false Boolean value if it's false. And they'll do that for all of them. And then the AND will say, okay, if these are both true, make this one true, and they combine these. If these are both true, if all three of these are true, then this whole statement is true. And then if at least one of them is false, the statement is going to return false. So this will be true statement check. And then we're also going to make a combined statement for ORs as well. So remember from ORs, at least only one of them has to be true. So if 1 equals 1, or val2 equals 1, or val3 equals 1, print at least one value is true. So in this case, if any one of these has a 1 value, it's going to be true. And then else, all values are not equal to 1. And this. And do a true statement check for AND. And this would be enter all values. And so this is basically what this will do is you run this and it'll try a bunch of values. So what I do is I already created the value, I'm going to save it, and you can see on the left here I already ran it. So I run this first one. So I'm going to put 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. And notice how both these go into the true portion of the part. Now I'm going to run this again, and I'm going to make at least 1, 2, 1, and 1. So notice how this is not true, but so it goes in here, and then this one is true, and then this last one, I'll run it one more time. Make sure it's down here.